for Just Nailed It, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a manicure with these two beautiful colors right here. They are from iMethod. Let me find them. I was sent a set by them. I just have 18-piece collection off Amazon. I was sent this for Christmas. 108, which is this nail here, and 105. Two beautiful, beautiful colors. Before we begin, I'm going to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Please give the video a thumbs up. Click the bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. And I greatly appreciate your presence here. I would really greatly appreciate the thumbs up a lot. That shows the algorithm that my videos are liked, that they're watched. They will be put out there more for them to be seen. And that's where I need your help, because a lot of my peeps aren't giving my videos a thumbs up. They would be watching, but they're not giving the video a thumbs up, and that hurts my feelings. Anyways, we're going to move on. I'm using stickers today. I'm going to use some of these tiny, tiny butterfly stickers. I got these off Amazon. I did a haul with these, so check that out. If I remember, I'll link that video in this video up in the corner over here. And I got these beautiful butterfly stickers as well. I'm going to be using these on the ring finger. Love, love, love. I just don't know which one I want to use. I guess I go with this one. I hope everybody's having a beautiful, beautiful day today, where they're going to. It's just about to start here in the U.S. for a lot of peeps. My day started many hours ago. I get up really super early, even before the birds. I love this. Love, love. I love sunflowers. They are one of my all-time favorites. So, I'm gonna have to use this one too. What is going on with my tweezers? There's something on the chip. And I'm not liking it. There we go. You can use stickers anytime, any manicure. And then I'm going to use some of the itty bitty little butterflies here. There we go. Let me see this here. Super easy to use. I don't know if I said that already, but they are. Whoops. Whoopsie. Get this just a little bit closer. Just a wee little bit. I do like those. Let me get one more. I don't know if you can see, these are gold, but they are just beautiful. Okay. There we go. Also on this manicure, I'm going to be using these beautiful, don't pay attention to the flowers. These beautiful square, like, diamond tricolor, they're just beautiful. These here, I'm going to attempt to put them on the index finger. With that, I'm going to be using Modelones. This is nail glue gel. It is a rhinestone glue. Sorry, I get parched really easy. Let me get this out of the container. Whoops. Whoopsie. The brush does come with it, and it also has a guiding tool at the other end. Brush could be a little bit stiffer, that would have been nice, just a little bit. I'm going to be doing this one stone at a time and curing. Because I want it to okay. There's a flat spot on these babies and it's really hard to see it. And that is what I want to make sure I get down. These are going to stick up quite a bit, but they are beautiful. I'm going to stick this to the lamp for a flash cure. And we will proceed with our next stone. I think these are going to turn out really super cute. I know these stones are kind of big and in your face, but I thought it would be really cute. Really cute. I've never done stones this big before, so it is stepping out of my comfort zone a wee bit. Just a wee bit. Just a wee bit. Here we go. I'm going to put this in for 60. Oh. I would request a lint-free wipe and maybe some isopropyl alcohol to clean your dotting tool, which is what I'm going to hurry and do right quick while that's in the lamp. Clean off your dotting tool. So we'll see how Modelones rhinestone glue performs here. I am going to check it when they come out of the lamp to see if it is nice and secure. See if I can give that 2 thumbs up. So I'm going to put some itty bitties on. Just a few. But I also want to put some little dots for the butterflies, like the little motion. Okay, these are safe and secure. 2 thumbs up Modelones on your rhinestone glue. Give this just some little dots. Whoops. Guess we're gonna see where that goes from. Okay. Put that away. We are going to use our, okay, that's not top coat. We are going to also be using the top coat that came with my iMethod gel set, my collection that I, oh boy. I can't get this open. I've never used it before. This will be my first if I can get it open. Thank God for these little things here, these little grippy things that you can grip onto things and open. Whew. You don't know how many times they have saved my butt with nail polish. So we're going to use the iMethod gel top coat. Contact us for one more free. Oh, I didn't know that. Here's their social media platforms. I love their products. Okay. Let me do the snail here. Put a couple little bling at the top of the snail. Just a couple. This one does not want to let go. Alright. Alright. What should we do here? I'm getting parched again. I'm going to pause and I'm going to have a think. Alright, we are back. I've had my little think, and I think this is all I'm going to do. I'm going to top coat my nails now. I think this manicure turned out really super cute. Oh shoot. And my little dashes, I gotta put those in the lamp and cure them. Ah! Forgot about that. So those are in the lamp, those are cured really quick. You can take this time to clean up your mess. Again, I did use the rhinestone glue. Modelones nail glue gel to hold on my my big old bling. I think that turned out really super cute, a lot better than I anticipated. So that is really cool. Let me see, Tammy's Mains is going to have a giveaway coming up for becoming subscribed and monetized and everything. So go check out Tammy's Manny and watch her video, subscribe to her channel, and then you'll catch her giveaway when it comes about. I just had my 1150 and I'm so excited. 1200 is on the horizon. So if you're new here, please subscribe, help me reach my next milestone goal. And like I said, that will be reaching 1200 subscribers. And only you can help get me there. Top coat over this again. I like this top coat. We'll see how it performs afterwards. If it is really glossy. That's the kind of top coats I like. Thick and glossy. The thickness of it is okay. I mean, it's the typical. It's too typical. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp. Can't get my hand in there right. We're going to give these a full cure and we'll be right back. Alright, we are back. Our nails are finito. I think these turned out really super cute. Sunflowers, like I said, are one of my faves. So is purple. And this is like a lavender shade. So let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my manicure. Let me know what you think of these big old rocks here. I think they're cute. I mean, I think the whole manicure is really cute. I know it's simple. Takes, you know, it's easy peasy. Anybody can wear it. So leave me a comment with your thoughts down below. And we'll see you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.